This is Mamuni. Thank you so much for being Amar Baba.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss how to make ledger posting of simple journal entries step by step for the beginners in the easiest way. I am also going to prepare trial balance. So let's get started. Chalo, shuru kara jak. What is simple journal entry? Simple journal entry is a journal entry which contains only one debit and one credit. Understood? I have already prepared simple journal entries. So let's go through the journal entries. In the books of Baba, simple journal entries. On 1st April 2022, cash account debit 50,000 to capital account 50,000, being cash brought into the business by Baba as capital. On 5th April, salary account debit 10,000 to cash account 10,000, being salary paid to an office assistant. On 15th April, purchases account debit 15,000 to cash account, being goods purchased in cash. On 20th April, depreciation account debit 5,000 to machinery account, being depreciation charged 5,000. On 30th April, cash account debit 20,000 to sales account, being goods sold to Ravi in cash. The total is 1 lakh in the debit column and 1 lakh in the credit column. Understood? So let's see why one account is debit and another account is credit. Let's go through it. Now see here, on 1st April, cash account is debit. Why? Cash account is debit because cash falls under real account. According to real account, what comes in is debit. এখানে কি হয়েছে? Baba brought cash into the business as capital. From the point of view of the business, cash is coming in. বাবার কাছ থেকে cash চলে যাচ্ছে. বাবার কাছ থেকে cash চলে যাচ্ছে. But see from the point of view of the business, cash is coming into the business. So cash account falls under real account. According to real account, what comes in is debit. So cash account should be debited. Why capital account is credit? Because capital account falls under personal account. According to personal account, the giver of the benefit is credit. Here, Baba is the giver of the capital or Baba is the giver of money. So capital account should be credited. Understood? On 5th April, salary account debit. Why salary account debit? Salary account falls under nominal account. According to nominal account, all losses and expenses are debit. এখানে কি হচ্ছে? Proprietor যখন এখানে proprietor কে বাবা বাবা যখন কোনো অফিস স্টাফকে স্যালারি দিচ্ছে কি হচ্ছে? বাবা যখন কোনো অফিস স্টাফকে স্যালারি দিচ্ছে, this is an expense for the business. So according to nominal account, all losses and expense are debit. So salary account should be debited. Why cash account credit? Because যখন বাবা salary payment করছে অফিস স্টাফকে কি হচ্ছে? Cash goes out from the business. Cash account falls under real account. যেই মোমেন্টে বাবা অফিস স্টাফকে salary payment করছে কি হচ্ছে? বিজনেস থেকে ক্যাশ চলে যাচ্ছে. So cash account should be credited. Understood? Clear? On 15th April, purchases account debit. Why purchases account debit? Because purchases account falls under real account as well as nominal account. But আমি consider করছি purchases account as real account. যখন বাবা goods কিনছে কি হচ্ছে? goods business এ আসছে. যখন বাবা goods কিনছে কি হচ্ছে? goods are coming in. So since purchases account falls under real account, what comes in is debit. So purchase যখন করা হচ্ছে goods কি হচ্ছে? goods are coming into the business. So purchase account should be debited. But according to nominal account, purchases account is an expense because according to nominal account all losses and expenses debit. So purchase করলে কি হয় আমাদের money যাচ্ছে. When Baba is purchasing goods, cash goes out. So this is an expense of the business according to nominal account. So purchases account should be debited. Real account purchases account debit হচ্ছে কেন? Because goods are coming in. According to real account what comes in is debit, and according to nominal account purchases account is an expense of the business. যেই মোমেন্টে বাবা গুডস কিনছে টাকা চলে যাচ্ছে, মানি গোজ আউট. যেই মোমেন্টে বাবা গুডস কিনছে মানি গোজ আউট. সো পারচেসেস অ্যাকাউন্ট ইজ অ্যান এক্সপেন্স অফ দ্য বিজনেস অ্যাকর্ডিং টু নমিনাল অ্যাকাউন্ট. সো পারচেসেস অ্যাকাউন্ট শুড বি ডেবিটেড. আন্ডারস্টুড? ক্লিয়ার? Why cash account credit? Because cash falls under real account. According to real account what goes out is credits. When Baba purchase goods, cash goes out from the business. Since cash account falls under real account, what goes out is credit. So cash account should be credited. Understood? On 20th April, depreciation account debit. Depreciation account falls under nominal account. Depreciation is a loss for the business. It is not paid in cash, but still depreciation account is a loss for the business. What is depreciation account? When we are using the machine continuously, what happens? The value of the machine decreases on account of wear and tear and passage of time. একটা মেশিনকে যদি দিনের পর দিন, মাসের পর মাস, বছরের পর বছর ইউজ করো, কি হয়? মেশিনটা বিজনেস থেকে চলে যাচ্ছে না, but the value of the machine decreases due to wear and tear. বারবার যদি ইউজ করো সেই মেশিনটার ভ্যালু কমে যাচ্ছে. Understood? So depreciation account falls under nominal account. According to nominal account, all losses and expenses is debit. So depreciation account is a loss. So depreciation account should be debited. Why machinery account credit? Machinery account falls under real account. Machinery account, machinery does not go out from the business, but the value of the machinery decreases. So that is the reason according to real account what goes out is credit. But since machinery does not go out from the business, but the value of the machinery decreases, and that is the reason machinery account is credit. It falls under real account. Understood? On 30th April, cash account debit. Why cash account is debit? Because when Baba sold goods, cash is coming in. Cash account falls under real account. According to real account, what comes in is debit. So when Baba is selling goods, Baba gets money. Cash is coming in. So cash account should be debited. Why sales account is credit? Because sales account falls under real account as well as nominal account. আমি consider করছি sales কে real account এ. I am treating sales as real account. When Baba is selling goods, goods go out from the business. So according to real account, what goes out from the business is credit. When Baba is selling goods, goods go out from the business. So sales account should be credited. According to nominal account, when Baba is selling goods, what is coming in? Money is coming in. So according to nominal account, all incomes and gains are credit. So sales account should be credited according to nominal account. And according to real account also, sales account should be credited because goods go out from the business. Understood? Clear? So let's do the ledger posting of simple journal entries. Alright? Clear? So now let's do the ledger posting of simple journal entries. Do you remember the 3 golden rules of accounting? Please memorize it. Real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Nominal account, debit all losses and expenses, credit all gains and incomes. Personal account, debit receiver of the benefit, credit giver of the benefit. Do you remember? Please memorize the chart. Okay? This is very important. Only if you know this, then only you can do journal entries. Understood? What is ledger posting? Ledger posting is the process of transferring journal entries from journal to the ledger. Understood? So let's make the ledger posting. Now let's see the first journal entry. On 1st April, cash account is debit to capital account. We'll prepare cash account first. We'll prepare cash account first because maximum transaction cash account ही होय. Okay. So where is cash account? See the position of cash account. Cash account is on the debit side. Since we are preparing cash account, we have to look at the position of cash account. So since cash account is on the debit side, capital account will also be on the debit side. So let's do it. 50,000 on 1st April. To capital account. $50,000. Now let's see our kono cash transactions ache kina. On 5th April, salary account to cash account. Here's another cash transaction. What is the position of cash account? See here, cash account is on the credit side. Since cash account is on the credit side, remember we are not preparing salary account, we are preparing cash account. Since cash account is on the credit side, salary account will also be on the credit side. Let's do it. By salary account. How much? See, 10,000. What is the date? 5th April. Now let's go through this third journal entry. See, on 15th April, purchases account debit to cash account. Here's another cash transaction. What is the position of cash account? We won't look at purchases account since we are preparing cash account. Cash account is on the credit side. So, purchases account will be on the credit side as well. What is the amount? 15,000 on 15th April. Let's do it. By purchases account. 15,000. 15,000. Date is 15th April. Now what is the fourth journal entry? On 20th April, depreciation account debit 5,000 to machinery account. Here's no cash transaction. Ignore. The last journal entry. On 30th April, cash account debit 20,000 to sales. Here's another cash transaction. So what is the position of cash account? We are not going to look at sales account since we are preparing cash account and not sales account. What is the position of cash account? Cash account is on the debit side. So sales account will be also on the debit side in the cash account. Understood? What is the date? 30th April, 20,000 amount. Let's do it. To sales account. To sales account, how much? 20,000. What is the date? 30th April. Now which side is greater? See, debit side is 50,000 plus 20,000, 70,000. And credit side is 10,000 plus 15,000, 25,000. So, obviously debit side is greater. And what have I told you? J side ta boro hobe, tar total tai we have to write on both sides. Since debit side's total is greater than credit side's total, we have to write the debit side's total on both sides. So, 70,000 on both sides. Debit side is okay because 50,000 plus 20,000, 70,000. But where is the shortfall? The shortfall is on the credit side. We have to write something to balance this total 70,000. Here only 25,000 written. So, baki tao to amader balance korte hobe. So, jekhane shortfall hobe, what have I told you? We have to write by balance CD. By balance CD. How much? 70,000 minus 10,000 minus 15,000. That comes to 45,000. That means deduct the total of credit side from the total of debit side. You will get 45,000. What is the date? The date is last day in the month of April, 30th April. And now this 45,000 will be brought down on the opposite side. Cano? Because Baba is not shutting down the business. He will continue the business in the month of May also. To balance BD. Shop shumay opposite side ligbe. Karon by balance CD jokon credit side eta debit side ashbe. To balance BD, this amount 45,000. What is the date? The very next day, 30th April by balance CD hoche tale May 1st. Now tell me, is cash account a debit balance or a credit balance? Cash account is a debit balance. Why? Because debit side total is greater than credit side's total. Debit side's total 70,000 is greater than 25,000. Why? Because debit side total is greater than credit side total, and moreover, to balance BD is written beneath the debit total 45,000. Understood? Let's do the next account. What is the next account? See, on 1st April cash account we did completed to capital account. What is the position of capital account? The capital account is on the credit side. Now we are not going to look at cash account's position. We are going to look at capital account's position because we are preparing capital account and not cash account, and moreover cash account is finished. So since capital account is on the credit side, cash account will be on the credit side in the capital account too. Understood? Let's do it. So buy cash account. Buy cash account. How much? 50,000. See here. Cash to capital 50,000. 1st April. আমরা দেখি আর কোনো ক্যাপিটাল ট্রানজাকশন আছে কিনা। On 1st April finished. 5th April salary account to cash account, no capital, ignore. 15th April purchases account to cash account, no capital, ignore. On 20th April put depreciation account to machinery account, no capital account, ignore. On 30th April cash account to sales account, no capital account, so ignore. So now let's close the capital account. Now see which side is greater, debit side or credit side? Obviously credit side. Debit side কিছু নেই means 0, credit side 50,000. Credit side 50,000. আমি কি বললাম, যেই সাইডটা বড় হবে তার টোটালটা we have to write on both sides. Since debit side is 0 and credit side is 50,000, so we'll write 50,000 on both sides. Where is the shortfall? Obviously on the debit side. যেখানেই shortfall হবে বা lesser amount হবে সেখানে we'll write always to balance CD. How much? 50,000 minus 0. Since nothing has been written, that means 0. Obviously 50,000. The date is always last day, 30th April. So this balance CD will be brought down on the opposite side by balance BD. The very next day. What is the date? May 1st. The very next day. আমরা 30th April to balance CD লিখেছি, এবার আমরা পরের দিন লিখবো May 1st. এটা যদি 30th June হতো আমরা লিখতাম 1st July. Understood? The very next day. What is the amount? CD এর যেই অ্যামাউন্টটা ওটাই লিখতে হবে। Now tell me, is capital account a debit balance or a credit balance? Capital account is a credit balance since the credit side's total is greater than debit side's total, and moreover by balance BD is written beneath the credit total 50,000. Understood? Clear? Let's do the next account. Now let's go through the journal again. On 1st April cash account, capital account completed. On 5th April salary account. Let's do salary account. Now what is the position of salary account? Salary account is on the debit side. We are not going to look at cash account. Since cash account আমরা prepare করছি না, we have already finished. We are going to prepare now salary account. Right now we are preparing salary account. The position of the salary account is on the debit side. Since salary account is on the debit side, cash account will also be on the debit side. Understood? So to cash account. To cash account. How much? 10,000. See. What is the date? 5th April. আর কোনো salary transaction আছে? Let's see. See, on 15th April purchases account to cash account. No salary account. Ignore. On 20th April depreciation account to machinery account. No salary account. Ignore. On 30th April cash account to sales account. No salary account. Ignore. Okay. So let's close the salary account. Now which side is greater? Debit side. So credit side e kichu nei means 0. Debit side e 10,000. So ami ki bollam? Since debit side is greater, we'll write 10,000 on both sides. Where is the shortfall? The shortfall is on the credit side. যেখানে shortfall we have to write by balance CD. How much? 10,000. How we are getting 10,000? Debit side total is 10,000. এখানে কিছু লেখা নেই means 0. So 10,000 minus 0 will give you 10,000. and এই ব্যালেন্স শিটটা আবার উইল হ্যাভ টু ব্রট ডাউন অন দ্য অপোজিট সাইড। কেন? বিজনেসটা শাট ডাউন হয়নি। Baba has not shut down his business. He will continue his business. To balance BD, how much? 10,000. This amount. What is the date? The very next day, May 1st. Understood? Clear? Now let's do the next account. Now let's go through the journal entry. Salary account we finished. Cash account we finished. See, on 15th April, purchases account. We'll have to prepare now purchases account. Let's do purchases account. Now tell me, where is purchases account? Purchases account is on the debit side. Don't look at cash. We are preparing purchases account. So we have to see the position of purchases account. Since purchases account is on the debit side, cash account will also be on the debit side in purchases account. To cash account. How much? See, 15,000. What is the date? 15th April. Okay. আমরা দেখি on 20th April depreciation account to machinery, no purchases account, ignore. On 30th April cash account to sales account, no purchases account, so ignore. Let's close the purchases account. Understood? Which side is greater? Debit side is greater. There is no amount on the credit side. Debit side is greater than credit side because there is no amount on the credit side. So we'll write 15,000 on both sides and we'll close the account. So where is the shortfall? The shortfall is on the credit side, so we'll write by balance CD. Because আমাকে এখানে কিছু তো লিখতে হবে, কোনো অ্যামাউন্ট লিখলে তবেই তো 15,000 আসছে। এখানে যদি 0 থাকে 15,000 এখানে এলো কি করে? So we have to balance it. That is the reason we are writing by balance CD. How much? 15,000 minus 0. Nothing has been written in 0. So it will give you 15,000. What is the date? The last day, 30th April. And this by balance CD will appear on the opposite side. এই by balance CDটাকে আমাদের কি করতে হবে? Brought down করতে হবে আবার opposite side এ to balance BD. This same amount 15,000. What is the date? The very next day, 1st May. Understood? Now tell me, purchases account is a debit balance or a credit balance? Purchases account is a debit balance. Why? Because debit side total is greater than credit side's total, and moreover 2 balance BD is written beneath the debit total. Understood? Clear? Let's do the next account. On 15th April, purchases account to cash account we did. On 20th April, depreciation account. So we have to prepare depreciation account, machinery account. On 30th April, cash account to sales account. So 3 more ledger accounts we have to prepare. Okay? 3 more ledger accounts are left. So let's prepare depreciation account. Now tell me the position of depreciation account. Remember, we are not preparing machinery account. Right now we are preparing depreciation account. So we'll look at the position of depreciation account. Depreciation account is on the debit side. So machinery account will also appear on the debit side in the depreciation account. What is the amount? 5,000 on 20th April. To machinery account. How much? 5,000. Now let's see, are kono depreciation account ache? No. See, on 30th April, cash account to sales account. So, ignore. Let's close the depreciation account. Okay? Which side is greater? Obviously, debit side. So, we'll write 5,000 on both sides. Where is the shortfall? On credit side, so we'll write by balance CD. By balance CD, how much? 5,000 minus 0. Nothing has been written in 0. So it will give you 5,000. Last day, 30th April. This by balance CD kothay ashbe? Eta abar opposite side e ashbe. To balance BD. Same amount, 5,000. The very next day, May 1st. Now tell me, is depreciation account a debit balance or a credit balance? Depreciation account is a debit balance. Why? Because the total of debit side is greater than the total of credit side. And moreover, to balance BD is written beneath the debit total, 5,000. Understood? Clear? Let's do the next account. Now let's go through the journal entry. See, on 20th April depreciation account we did. So we'll have to prepare now machinery account. Simple journal entries আমরা কেন বলছি? See, debit একটাই account, credit একটাই account. See here, cash account, debit to capital account. Debit side একটাই account, credit side একটাই account. Simple journal entry. On 5th April, see, salary account, debit একটাই journal, একটাই debit account, to cash account, একটাই credit account. On 15th April, purchases account দেখো, একটাই debit account, to cash account, একটাই credit account. On 20th April, depreciation account, একটাই debit account, debit side একটাই account, to machinery account, credit side একটাই account. One debit, one credit. On 30th April, cash account একটাই debit account, to sales account, একটাই credit account. সেই জন্য আমরা এটাকে simple journal entries বলছি. Debit side more than one account হতো, বা credit side more than one account হতো, বা both side more than one account হতো, সেটা compound journal entries. I've already taught you. So let's do the next account, machinery account. Let's do it. Now let's see what is the position of machinery account. Machinery account is on the credit side. Remember, we are preparing machinery account. We are not preparing depreciation account. We are finished. Since machinery account is on the credit side, depreciation will appear on the credit side in the machinery account. Understood? Let's do it. What is the amount? 5,000. Date is 20th April. Let's do it. So we'll write, since machinery account is on the credit side, depreciation will appear on the credit side as well. By depreciation account, 5,000. 5,000. What is the date? Date is 20th April. Let's see, are kono machinery transactions ache kina. Let's go through the journal. On 30th April, cash account to sales account, no machinery account, so we'll ignore. Let's close the machinery account. So one account is left, only sales account. So which side is greater? Credit side. We'll write 5,000 on both sides. Credit side's total is 5,000. We'll write 5,000 on both sides. So where is the shortfall? The shortfall is on the debit side. So we'll write to balance CD. You can have shortfall by lesser amount. I've already told you. সেই সাইডে to balance CD লিখতে হবে. So credit side total কত? 5,000. So nothing has been written on the debit side means 0. 5,000 minus 0, 5,000. Now আমাদের কি করতে হবে? Since to balance CD is on the debit side, in the next month, this balance is brought down on the opposite side, that is on the credit side, by writing the words by balance BD. What is BD? Brought down, and CD means carried down. Because Baba business ta close korche na. That is the reason. By balance BD. How much? Same amount, 5,000. What is the date? The very next day. This is 30th April. Last day in the month of April. So this will be May 1st. So is machinery account is a debit balance or a credit balance? Machinery account is a credit balance. Why? Because the total of credit balance is greater than the total of debit balance. And moreover, by balance BD is written beneath the credit total, 5,000. Understood? Now let's prepare the last account, sales account. Okay? Now let's see the position of sales account. Where is sales account? Sales account is on the credit side. Since we are preparing sales account, we are going to look at the position of sales account and not cash account. And moreover, cash account is finished. We have done cash account. Since sales account is on the credit side, cash account will appear on the credit side in the sales account. How much? 20,000 on 30th April. Let's do it. The last account. By cash account. How much? 20,000. What is the date? 30th April. Are kono sales transaction nahi, because this is the last journal entry. So we'll have to close the sales account. Which side is greater? Obviously credit side. We'll write 20,000 on both sides. We'll write 20,000 on both sides. So now tell me, where is the shortfall? The shortfall is on the debit side. So we'll write to balance CD. যেখানে shortfall আমরা যেখানে shortfall বা lesser amount ওখানে আমরা কি লিখি, বা কিছু নেই সেখানে আমরা কি লিখি, ওখানে আমরা balancing figure লিখি. This is the balancing figure. Since nothing has been written, this is 0. So credit side 20,000, debit side 0. But এখানে আমরা 20,000 লিখেছি, we have to balance it. So 20,000 minus 0 will give you 20,000. Now this balance 20,000 is brought down on the opposite side, that is on the credit side, by writing the words by balance BD. buy balance BD. How much? 20,000. Because business ta baba bondho koreni, ekhono business ta continue kore. The date, the very next day, May 1st, and it will last day in the month of April. Now tell me, is sales account a debit balance or a credit balance? Sales account is a credit balance. Why? Because the total of credit is greater than total of debit. Moreover, buy balance BD is written on the credit side total. Understood? Let's do the trial balance. So how many ledger accounts we have prepared? We have prepared 7 ledger accounts. Now we'll prepare trial balance with the help of 7 ledger accounts. Okay? Now what is trial balance? I've already told you. Let me tell you one more time. Trial balance is a statement and trial balance is not an account. So that is the reason we haven't written DR or debit on the debit side or CR or credit on the credit side. Trial balance is a statement. This is the format of trial balance. Trial balance as on 30th April 2022. Name of accounts or particulars, you can write any one. Ledger folio LF, debit column and credit column. Understood? Now let's see the ledger account balances. And always remember, why do we prepare trial balance? Trial balance is prepared with the debit and credit balances of ledger accounts to test the arithmetical accuracy of ledger accounts. Tar mane ki? Tar mane যদি আমাদের ট্রায়াল ব্যালেন্সের ডেবিট কলাম ইজ ইকুয়াল টু ক্রেডিট কলাম হয়ে যায়, যদি ট্রায়াল ব্যালেন্স ট্যালি করে, দ্যাট মিন্স আমাদের লেজার অ্যাকাউন্টস সব ঠিক আছে, আমরা ব্যালেন্সিং কোনো ভুল করিনি, সব ঠিক হয়েছে। আমাদের লেজার অ্যাকাউন্টসও প্রিপেয়ার করাতে কোনো ভুল হয়নি, আমাদের ব্যালেন্সিং করতেও কোনো ভুল হয়নি। সো লেটস প্রিপেয়ার দ্য ট্রায়াল ব্যালেন্স। লেটস সে দ্য ফার্স্ট অ্যাকাউন্ট, ক্যাশ অ্যাকাউন্ট। Cash account is a debit balance. Since cash account is a debit balance, we'll write 45,000 in the debit column. Understood? So let's write cash account 45,000. Since cash account is a debit balance, we'll write 45,000 in the debit column. Let's see the next account. See, capital account. Capital account is a credit balance. So we'll write 50,000 in the credit column. Let's write capital account 50,000. Since capital account is a credit balance, we have written 50,000 in the credit column. Okay? Understood? So now let's see the next account. Salary account. Salary account is a debit balance. So let's write 10,000 in the debit column. Since salary account is a debit balance, we have written 10,000 in the debit column. Understood? Clear? Now let's see the next account. The next account is purchasers account. The purchasers account is a debit balance. So let's write purchasers account 15,000. Now let's see the next account. Depreciation account. Depreciation account is a debit balance. So let's write 5,000 in the debit column. Depreciation is also a debit balance. Hence we'll write 5,000 in the debit column as well. So let's see the next account. See, machinery account. Machinery account is a credit balance. So we'll write 5,000 in the credit column. Let's write machinery account. $5,000. Let's see the last account. Sales account. Sales account is a credit balance, 20,000. So we'll write 20,000 in the credit column. Let's write. So sales account. Since sales account is a credit balance, we'll write 20,000 in the credit column. Understood? Now let's do the total. The debit column is 75,000. Credit column is also 75,000. So this is the total of trial balance. So debit column is equal to 75,000. The credit column is equal to 75,000. So the trial balance did tally. That means if the total of the debit column equals to that of its credit column, it is proved that ledger accounts are arithmetically correct and there are no errors in the ledger posting and balancing the ledger accounts. Amra ledger posting korte kono bhul korini and ledger accounts যখন আমরা balance করেছি সেখানে কোনো ভুল নেই. That is the reason trial balance did tally. Debit side column is equal to credit column. This is how we prepare trial balance. Understood? I hope you understood. Clear? Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your precious time. I sincerely hope this was helpful. And before I fade out, please remember, good behavior and politeness does not cost a single rupee. So then, why is good behavior and politeness so rare in today's world? Please give it a thought. Bye-bye. Take care, stay safe, and stay blessed always.